Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Srif World of Coding. In today's video, I'm gonna show how we can parameterize our PySpark queries. So we have our dataset known as customers.csv. Okay, let me show you the data. Okay, so we have this dataset and we have following columns: customer ID, first name, last name, age, and country. Now, what we will do, we will create a temporary view. Okay, so we can write df dot create or replace temp view and give it a name. Okay, let give a name uh, customer only. Okay, so a view with name customer has been created. Okay, so if we write a simple query, okay, with select star from, and let's give a name, and we can run both PySpark and SQL code in Databricks. So we will just, what we'll do, we will pass just spark.sql and we'll pass the parameter as query. Okay, oh, so we will need to write show to retrieve its output. So here you can see, so this is the output of the query that we have passed in spark.sql, and this is the output of what we are getting from customer table. So let's we can write other clause such as where id equal to, let's say, no, uh, customer id equal to 1. So we will retrieve the first row. So here you can see we are hard coding it as 1. Okay, now let's uh, create a dynamic and create a variable. Okay, so every time we will pass the different customer id, we will get the different row as output. So let's pass an id. Okay, so we have parameterized it using this, and here in the spark.sql we can pass id equal to let's say 1. So here you can see we are getting the first row as output. Let's pass it as 3. Customer ID is 3. So here you can see customer ID 3 is present and all the details for customer ID 3. So but here also what we can do, we can create a function. Let's say customer info. Yeah, and we will pass ID as the parameter, and what we will do, yeah, here we can write as id. So what we will do, we have created a function known as customer info. So when the id function is being called and id is passed, so this spark sql query runs. Okay, so let's write customer info and pass id equal to 4. So here you can see customer details for customer id 4 is present. If we pass 6, since no customer id is present, it will return nothing. So here what we have done, we have parameterized the uh, where condition. Okay, but if you want to parameterize the column itself, so how we will do? So let's see, we want to parameterize column. So what we will do, we will create let's create a query itself. Okay, uh, select star from customer, and let's write a group by clause. Okay, group by group by, let's say, let it be column. Okay, and what we will do, we will be retrieving, let's say we want to calculate how many what is the sum of all the ages of customer present in a country. So in a data set, for example, for country USA, the sum of ages, okay, will be 53. Similarly for UK, it will be 47, and similarly for UAE, it will be 28. So what we will do, um, we will have to parameterize it, okay. So we will do something like this, and in order to calculate the sum, we will write sum of column age. We can even calculate the average AVG as age, okay, and we will use the f string method, okay. Now, yeah, now we need to define the column, okay. So, and apart from that, uh, apart from that, we will pass that column, okay. Let's uh, we want to group by on basis of country column, okay. So what we'll do, we will do this called spark.sql and just pass the query, okay. So how let's see what's the output is. We need to write even show. Yeah, so you can see the average age is 53, as I told earlier, 47, and UAE it's 28, and average age is this. So here you can see we have parameterized the column, so we can change the column as well. Yeah, seems there is no other column. We can do, let's say, for example, let's, yeah, we can pass any name, let's say first name itself, okay. So it will not give any meaningful data, but you can see. So here we have parameterized the column, and here we can see parameterized our value. So hope you enjoy the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.